Welcome back. If you're watching this, you probably saw part one where we have basically a week left until our cold open, and we're at the point now where we have just a day, and tomorrow is the first day that our retail area will be open to the public, and we have a lot to do. Our freezer isn't really even fully stocked yet, so
yeah, we have a lot to do still.
We have a lot, so we're gonna head out to the shop and see what all we can get done. Okay, there is one day left until our soft opening tomorrow, and we still have a lot to do, but it has come a long way. We are currently working on this. We're doing price tags, so there are prices in front of all the items, and it's very tedious and takes a lot of time, but it needs to be done, so that's getting done, and our friend Carrie is helping me out with that, and John is setting up some new arrivals. We just got some carpet pythons in. Hi, sweetie! Aren't you gorgeous? Those came from an awesome breeder, Living Legless Reptiles, if you've heard of him. And then we are working on this too, or Ed is. He is putting lights in the PetSmart enclosures, the UVB lights that actually go up front here. And so he is turning them from this kind of a look with just a little bulb on top, a little bulb right there, kind of barely illuminated, to this. Oh my gosh, that looks so much better with the UVB in there. Oh, look at you climbing up your background. I'm so glad we gave them the Universal Rocks background.
Yeah, they really use like every square inch of it.
Yeah, they do. So yeah, we all have little different jobs to do today, and we also have to put like the prices on our sales signs here, which are all up and look amazing. Thank you, Mindy, for hanging those yesterday. I think once we're done with price tags over here, we will we'll clean up. That's gonna be our last task. Yeah, lots of cleaning. All of a sudden we got a knock on the door and somebody delivered flowers, I think? Century Floral? I think they're just down the road. He said it was like an anonymous drop-off. Somebody sent us flowers.
That's awesome.
Congratulations on your soft opening. Wishing you tons of success from a fan, Jen.
Aww.
Oh my gosh. I thought it was like maybe from my mom or something, but this is thank you, Jen. You didn't have to do that.
Well, now we have to see what it looks like.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Holy cow. Aww.
Yeah, let's set it up here somewhere so people can see it.
Everyone can see
We could
it.
even like
Have the card out.
stick that in there.
Oh my gosh. I wonder if she's gonna come tomorrow then, 'cause she's probably local.
Yeah,
I would imagine.
maybe.
That was so nice.
Yeah, it was.
Thank you, Jen. Over here, Ed is now working on packaging up the water Wait, what are these?
They're water crystals. Go
What?
away. Go back to work.
What kind of a business is this?
We deal with reptiles here. Now, go back to work.
Okay, this is a special moment here. Our poor countertop needs a hole for all of these cords to go through.
Well, I mean, you already nard it over there.
Oh, that's
Nard?
true.
Is that a word?
What's nard?
Marred is what I think I was going for.
all right,
But
sure.
Nard,
I nard it
marred.
over there.
Yeah, you nard it.
So now it's your turn to nard it. Oh, don't blow it everywhere. I think that's good. We could just leave it like that,
Like
right?
that?
Yeah.
We'll just leave the drill even there.
Perfect. Yep, I think we're
Okay.
good. We're ready for open. So this is a little hognose snake enclosure. We have an albino that's going to be for sale for opening tomorrow. Can you find it though? Huh. I wonder where it is. They're burrowers, right? Oh, but wait. This one is convinced he's a green tree python. You are so stinking cute. This one's a girl, that's right. She is so stinking cute. It is day of. Today is Friday. We stayed late. We had so much to do yesterday that I couldn't film a whole lot. I'm so sorry. But today's the day for soft opening, and Ed is working on this. Setting out our awesome rugs. Look how clean it is in here. We really pulled it together. I'm working on price tag stuff, just finishing it up, and then we have to figure out what products are gonna go on the shelves here. Our friend Carrie is in the back doing all sorts of stuff, and our friend Nick, you can't see him, he's back there. He's feeding, oh, there he is, briefly, oh, and there he goes. Okay, it is 11:20. We open at noon. There's already cars in the parking lot. What do we do?
Though.
They did take off. I think they must be getting breakfast or
They're
something.
probably going to DQ for breakfast.
We also forgot to get to... Oh, how'd he get there? You behave yourself. There's going to be a lot of children here.
You can't control me. I do what I want.
Oh, yes. He can greet oh, he's gonna be tucked away? Oh my gosh, yes. Randy's gonna be greeting people. Okay, we have a lot to do still, so I'm gonna get back. And we just opened the door. Oh, thank you, Katie. People are already here. It's Kana. Hello. And we've got all sorts. This is awesome. Thank you guys so much for coming, even though it's just soft opening. Here is our adoptable Ella, the fat, like, she's got jowls, bearded dragon. Hopefully she finds a home today. We have our very first animals sold. Our cute little hognose who thinks she's a green tree python sold. And the garter snake found a home. I love the hat, by the way. Awesome, awesome. And here we have Deanna, who has bought our very first bag of snake discovery leaves that you all saw us put together. First one, thank you so much for your support.
Of course.
Oh, and Deanna actually also got these little garters. They just found a home and they're going in this awesome Exoterra. Oh, sweet. Thank you, Deanna, for giving them such a good home.
Of course.
Look at what Nick made. He made Rex. Guys, thank you so much, Nick. And Nick has a hognose snake and a bearded dragon and a chameleon gecko.
Yep.
Awesome. Oh, thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite reptile?
I don't want to choose because it would break their hearts, but it's Draco. It's my bearded dragon.
Nice.
She's so nice. Everyone else hates me.
Oh, we won't tell them that he's your favorite.
Yeah.
And Ella, our fat bearded dragon, is getting a new home. She's getting adopted by Kenzie. Here you are, your new little girl. Thank you for adopting her and giving her such a good home. Everyone's on the same page. We all agree she is fat.
Yeah.
So thankfully, Kenzie has lots of experience with beardies. So she'll get her on a proper diet and get to the right weight.
Absolutely.
And our friends CJ and Morgan have given the very first home, or a home, to the very first Amazon milk frog. What's his name?
Garbage.
Yeah. We didn't have a chance to put up all the sale signs for all the live animals, but thankfully Carrie is here to the rescue. Carrie is putting together the sales, or the price tags for all the animals. Thank you so much for doing that. Ashley and Hope are here from 3 hours away for our soft opening, and they're taking home this little crested gecko. This was one of the babies from Ryan's Reptile Outpost. Oh, thanks for giving him a good home. Do you have a name idea yet?
No, not yet.
Well, you have a 3-hour car ride, so
Yeah.
you'll...
I'm terrible with names. I think this makes number 8 for Kirsten.
Nice.
Food for my tortoise. I'm really excited to try this. I haven't seen this before.
You'll have to let me know if they like them. Yeah, those were flavors I hadn't seen before either. So
Yeah,
we're
I
like,
love
yeah.
it.
Here we have Jocelyn and Leah, who both have reptiles, and found some goodies like a shirt and the beanie. And oh my gosh, I love your shirt, Jocelyn. That's amazing. What kind of reptiles do you have?
Bearded dragon.
Oh, well, the shirt is perfect for that. Nice. What's your beardie's name?
Andy.
Andy. I love human names for animals. That's great. Leah, what do you have?
I have a leopard gecko and crested gecko.
Aw, what are their names?
The leopard gecko is Ziggy and the crested gecko is Cooper.
Oh, I love their names too. Oh, well, thank you so much for coming on our soft opening. Oh my gosh, it just kind of hit me. There are cars in our parking lot, and they're not just all of our amazing friends, it's customers and fans that I get to meet today. And the open sign is on. Also, we have plants now in our cool snake discovery sign. I think those turned out great. Good job, Ed, putting all those up. Well, it was a crazy first day, but we are now officially closed, which this is the first time I've been able to say that. And we have Saturday and Sunday to come back to and have more exciting days. It was so much fun. It was kind of chaotic, but it was so much fun the entire time. And now this is what we're gonna do. Play with the tegus. We've got 2 black and white tegus, and they are freaking adorable. So now we get to have some fun and play with the animals in here.
Get to work, you hooligans.
Am I fired?
Yes. We'll rehire you tomorrow.
Now mine is calm with it.
Okay, it is Saturday. We just opened the doors, and there's so many people here. This is amazing. So I know a lot of you have been asking if this archway could be a Pokestop or a Pokemon gym for those who play Pokemon Go. And we have officially submitted the request for it to be one thanks to Alexa and Cynthia who submitted it for us. Thank you so much. Okay, so now I'm curious, do you get to choose if it's a gym or a stop? Or how does that work?
It'll be a Pokestop, and then if like there are more requests around the area for more Pokestops, they would turn that into a gym and just add the Pokestop.
Oh, okay, so it would start as a stop and then maybe move to a gym?
Yeah.
Oh, cool! I really hope it's approved. That'd be amazing.
We will keep you posted. It's been submitted.
Thank you!
Yay!
So Ed has never worked in pet retail before, so since there isn't anyone here, we are practicing our cricket bagging techniques to show Ed how to do it. So what you do, Ed, is, since you're right-handed,
I've done that.
okay, so then you take your left hand and you cup it,
Yep.
twist it
Okay.
to like lock in the air,
Yep.
and then you curlicue the top.
Okay.
And then you take your rubber band and you go like this and you twist it and you loop it, twist
Okay,
it.
but that looks like you're still gonna lose a lot of air.
It doesn't for me.
That's not super taut. Look at how much air is not
That's
in there.
normal. With the big bags, I usually just walk.
Oh yeah, you
You're
know,
with the
with
crickets in
crickets
there?
in there, just like woo! The crickets are gonna go everywhere.
That's how I got one in my ear.
Not a monster.
Yep. So then you do it where you
Fingers are too
you
dumb.
figure
They
eight.
can't do this.
Use your IT fingers.
Yeah, come on, you're an IT
Oh.
professional. You can.
Yeah,
It came off.
I told you my fingers aren't good enough.
You'll get it. So whoever comes in here, ask Ed to bag your crickets.
Oh, I'm gonna be in back.
And our very first ever sale of Springtails and Orange Isopods goes to Jessie. Thank you. It's been just crazy today, and I am having so much fun meeting all of you guys. Oh, wow, and chips are falling from above. Ed and I are actually taking a little bit of a break. I'm just sitting on the floor.
Yeah, here's your Mountain Dew.
Oh, thank you for the Mountain Dew. We have pizza.
It's not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, a little lunchtime for us, and then we're gonna head back out there.
Yay!
And Carrie is bringing a chair. Oh, thank you, Carrie. Emily here, a fellow Emily, and her brother Chris are going home with this little butter corn snake. And he is going to be a special one. He has a job at home. When he gets big enough, he's going to breed to your snow het caramel corn snake, right?
Yes, and she's an albino.
Oh, yep. So all the babies, he's albino too, or AML. So all the babies will be AML. That's so cool that you're into breeding already at such a young age. Oh, it's going to be such a fun learning experience for you. Do you have a name for him yet?
I want to call him Dot.
Dot? Oh, I love it.
Because he has little dots.
He does. He certainly does. He's beautiful. Good choice.
It is.
And you all know Pudge, the very fat leopard gecko that we've had available for adoption. Well, she's going to her new home with Ellie today. Here you go. Are you going to keep her name Pudge?
Maybe, I don't know. We're thinking about names and stuff like Flower and stuff.
Oh,
Flower
that'd be
names.
a much more appropriate name. I bet she would appreciate being called Flower instead of Pudge. She's so cute. Thanks for giving her a new home. Well, it is Sunday night. We have officially completed our very first opening weekend here in the retail area. We decided to bring Cheyenne today because we thought she might like meeting new people, and she
Yeah.
actually did really well.
Yeah, she met lots of new kids, lots of new people,
Did you make new friends today?
lots of new friends. Yeah, we also got to do our first reorder of
Yeah,
stuff. So
we
we got 4 purchase orders out.
Had to order a bunch of new stuff since a lot of it sold, and even animals. A lot of animals found homes, including almost all of the adoptable reptiles that we have. So we'll be able to make room, or now we have room to take in more surrenders so we can adopt out more, and just so excited or so happy with how this weekend went.
Yeah, this whole week.
Yeah, this whole week has been crazy, but a lot of fun. Every minute has been a blast. Yeah, so we've got this cute little blue-eyed Lucy ball python here now too. She is adorable.
Yeah, we got a male with her.
Yeah.
Well, a
Not with
male
her.
and her.
We have 2 of them here,
Yeah.
not together, but a lot of our merch went.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
It was like every order had a thing of merch.
Yeah, everybody left with merch, which
Oh
was
yeah,
really
the new
cool.
shirts. I don't know. We never showed those off because they came in super late.
Oh, that's right.
But the new shirts that we ordered through some other company besides Teespring.
Those came in on Friday, which was our first day open. It was a perfect timing, and a lot of them already sold. So it's heartwarming and humbling seeing stuff with our logo on it being purchased by other people who want it. Like, just...
Yeah, we sold out of the rest of the calendars.
Yeah.
Now we're just stocked up on coloring books.
Yeah, that's the last of those, though. We're gonna
Is it?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
it.
jeez.
So we're gonna have to get more of those too. I want to send a huge shout out and thank you to my mom, my aunt Kathy, my cousin Cameron, as well as our friends John and Carrie, Nick, Danae, Dalen, and Mandy for spending hours here getting this place ready. We couldn't have done it in time without you, so thank you so much. They also spent hours here during the entire weekend just restocking things, manning the register for hours on end, answering questions, helping with sales and our adoptable animals finding homes. It was just madness this whole weekend, but so much fun. We also would like to thank everybody who stopped in this weekend and supported us. Your support means so much, and it was a lot of fun being able to finally meet a lot of you in person.
Yeah, meet and talk with everybody.
Yeah, it was with COVID, we haven't really seen anyone, so even though we were all masked up, it was still great to be able to meet and catch up with a lot of friends. So thank you, everybody, and thank you to our Patreon backers for helping make this whole thing possible. Like, we're finally here, guys.
Yeah.
Retail is open. This
3
is
days a week.
3 days
for
a
the
week.
foreseeable future till it's more.
Yeah, once we have employees, which will be coming soon, and then we'll be able to hire and have more than just Friday through Sunday 12 to 7 hours. But for now, just Ed and myself, that's what we're going to be doing for the time being. And yeah, thank you everybody for watching this video. You help us out tremendously too, and I think Cheyenne is ready to go home.
Yeah, she's been sitting there squawking at us and flapping and doing all sorts of stuff to get our attention. I think she's ready to go home as well.
Yep, I think so. So we're going to go home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Oh, the little blue-eyed Lucy.